Welcome to Earthly Organic Naturals, where nature's remedies are at your fingertips. Boils. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of beeswax, 1/2 a cup of coconut oil, 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder, 10 drops of tea tree oil, 5 drops of lavender oil. Instructions: in a double boiler, melt the beeswax. Once melted, add the coconut oil and stir well to combine. Mix in the turmeric powder and ensure it is thoroughly dispersed in the mixture. Remove it from the heat and stir in the tea tree and lavender oil. Mix it well. Pour into containers with lids, such as small jars or tins, before it cools. Let it set until it solidifies. You can store this in a cool, dark place for up to 1 year. How to use: apply a small amount of the salve directly to the boil several times a day, after gently cleansing the area. You can cover the boil with a clean bandage after applying to keep the area clean and protected. Always wash your hands before and after handling boils to prevent the spread of infections. Note: perform a patch test on an unaffected area of the skin to ensure there is no allergic reactions. If the boils do not improve, seek medical attention, as it can be a sign of a more serious infection. How it all works: tea tree oil has terpenin 4, that is a strong antibacterial that helps fight the infection causing the boil. Turmeric has curcumin, which is a strong anti-inflammatory agent and helps reduce swelling and pain associated with boils. Coconut oil contains lauric acid, which is an antimicrobial that helps in reducing the bacteria responsible for boils. Last but not least, lavender oil has linalool and linalool acetate, which promote healing and soothe irritated skin. Join us. Like, share, follow, and subscribe. New content is added often.